When and why should you rotate your tires? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So the answer to when, most people in our industry at this point say about every 5,000 miles, which is about every oil change. And why? Okay, so a couple of things is, on most vehicles, we're only driving two of the wheels. So two of the wheels, the tires are mostly wearing when you brake. So if you could see this hammer, this is a rubber hammer, and you can see it's not worn very even. Imagine this is a tire tread, and every time I stop, I'm really only wearing one side. So if I get that tire rotated and turned around, then it'll start wearing the other direction. Also, the front tires tend to wear because the alignment angles change when you're turning. And so, yes, you should rotate your tires because it's very expensive to replace them, and rotation will extend the life of your tires dramatically. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.